Good afternoon, folks. This is week 12 and research 1 and research 2. I want to talk to you about a couple of things. First things first, this week, this Tuesday, progress reports go out. In order to get a passing grade on your progress report, you want to make sure that you are on pace to finish your class on time. Okay, everybody should be finishing their class December 18th. That's about 4 weeks from now. So it tells you right there um, when you log on to Annuity, it lets you know if you're on track to finish on time. So if you are behind in pace, you won't pass this quarter. If you are at pace or beyond the pace, you'll get a passing grade this quarter. Okay, so with that being said, once again, everybody should be finishing up their class December 18th. Okay, so for instance, this week in progress reports, if it says you should be at 65% of your class should be done by this date, then you should have 65%. If you do not, you're going to get a failing grade for the quarter. Okay. Hopefully everybody understands that and is working hard in their class, and hopefully we'll have a good week of school, and then we have Thanksgiving break. So make sure everything is on the computer. So if you got any questions, please let me know. Talk to me in class. All right, talk to me in class about it. Ask me whatever you can. Don't wait until December 16th to ask anything about the class, because the class is due December 18th. Okay, so if you got any questions, let me know. Hopefully everybody has a good week and stay safe.